Hi, this is Yuli. If you are learning Chinese, have this happened to you before? After learning for a long time, I still don't know how to say some simple daily words, or my listening is not good because I don't have enough vocabularies. Don't worry, I'm here to help. I have created vocabularies of 28 daily topics on Quizlet for my students to learn. If you find them helpful, it will be my pleasure to share the material with you for free. Now let me show you how you can study with it. Okay, let's check what topics you can find here. Let's take hobby as an example. So you can see there are totally 46 vocabularies under this topic. If you click the bottom, you can listen to the pronunciation.
弹鼓声
Playing the zither.
拉大提琴
Playing the cello.
There are totally 7 tools for you to study. Let's check the first one. The first one is the flashcard.
Music.
听音乐听歌
Singing.
唱歌
The second one is to study. You can set your study goal first.
听音乐听歌
Then choose the right answer. Next one is to practice your writing.
Playing the drum.
Playing the drum. So we need to choose the character 打鼓.
Playing the drum.
打鼓
Next one is to practice listening. So you need to choose the character that you heard.
散步
散步. You can also create some quiz. Next one is the matching game. The last one is also a game. You need to type the Chinese character 拉小提琴 and 茶艺. Okay, if you are interested to learn by yourself on Quizlet, you can scan this and join the Quizlet.